Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment with the given endpoints. So first we will draw xy plane. X-axis, y-axis. We need to choose unit because we have -8, so we can use small unit. This is 1. First point is -2, 2, so -1, -2, and y is 2. This is our P, and next we have to find R, so 3, -8, 2, 3, and -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, approximately here. So this is our point R. We can draw now our segment PR, and we need to find midpoint. Midpoint divide our segment to 2 equal parts. This is our midpoint. The coordinates of the midpoint of a segment are the average of the x coordinates and of the y coordinates of the endpoints. So if P has coordinates x1, y1, and R has coordinates x2, y2, the midpoint M of PR segment has coordinates x1 plus x2 over 2, and second coordinate is y1 plus y2 over 2. So this is equal, x1 is -2 plus r, x2 is 3 over 2, and we have y1 is 2, second coordinate of P point, plus second coordinate of R point is -8 over 2. So this is equal, we have M, -2 plus 3 is 1 over 2, and we have 2 plus -8, so this is -6 over 2. So our midpoint has coordinates 1/2 and -3. So this is approximately like on our graph. This is my solution.